There are a lot of people out there who hold themselves out as financial gurus. Follow their simple formula and you'll become a multi-millionaire. It's paint by the numbers, step-by-step stuff. Do what they say and you can't help but become rich. Well, guess what? Not all financial gurus are created equal. And before he died, Warren Buffett's partner at Berkshire Hathaway, Charlie Munger, opined on so-called financial gurus, and every single word of it is just pure gold. Take a listen, and if you're a fan of Grant Cardone, you may want to duck and cover. Credit to CoffeeZilla for the edits.
If you take the modern world, where people are trying to teach you how to come in and trade actively in stocks.
What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here. I want to teach you, I want to help you.
Well, I regard that as roughly equivalent to trying to induce a bunch of young people to start off on heroin.
We're here to support you. I want to see you on this jet with us next time. It's awesome, and you can totally do it. You love Join us right now. You love Jetsu, admit it. You just don't know it.
It is really stupid. And when you're already rich, to make your money by encouraging people to get rich by trading.
If you're a millionaire, why sell a course?
Then there are people on the TV, and they say, I have this book that will teach you how to make 300% a year.
The Millionaire booklet's going to give you 8 steps, and guess what?
And all you have to do is pay for shipping.
First, you're going to pay shipping and handling.
And it's ridiculous. And the people who do this all day think they're useful citizens, but they mislead you on purpose. And I get tired of it, and I don't think it's right.
You're giving away your free book. You're just trying to sell me stuff. Of course I am. I have no shame. I have no guilt. I have no hesitation.
Okay, so if the fake gurus can't make you rich, what will? Well, a lot of you aren't going to like the response that I'm about to give you. There are no shortcuts, and the very best way to become rich, the one with the highest likelihood of success, is to simply invest a little bit of your paycheck into the stock market over a long period of time. I'm talking between 10 and 50% per year, depending on how young you are when you start investing. That simple process alone is responsible for more Americans becoming millionaires than any other process. And second place isn't even all that close. Have that money zapped out of your paycheck and automatically contributed to tax-free accounts like Roth IRAs or Roth 401ks at the beginning of the month, and simply spend whatever's left over. Invest that money into index funds that track the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, the NASDAQ. Make sure you're rebalancing every quarter so that you don't become too overweighted in any one segment. Don't focus on individual stocks. Focus on buying the entire market. That way, even if a few companies tank, the rest of the market will buoy you up. And here's one of the most important parts of the formula. Once you put your investment plan on the set it and forget it mode, take a nap. Not literally, but when it comes to your investments, you shouldn't be looking at your investments every day or even every month, particularly if you have a long-term investment horizon. Me, I hardly ever look at my investment statements. For the most part, you want to ignore the stock market between now and when you retire. Why? Because the more you watch your investments, the more you obsess over them, the more likely you're going to freak out when the market is down. And freaking out leads to emotion-driven investment decisions that will only cost you money over time. How much will it cost you? Well, according to Dalbar's most recent quantitative analysis of investor behavior report, the average stock market investor earned 5.5% less than the S&P 500 in 2023. Why? Because investors who fixate on their portfolios day in and day out tend to sell their investments during market downturns and fail to get back into the market before it rebounds. In short, emotion-driven market timing is a guaranteed way to rob yourself of returns between now and when you retire. So let me summarize. If you want to dramatically increase your likelihood of becoming a multi-millionaire one day, you almost certainly won't do it by buying a book or a course from a so-called financial guru with a get-rich-quick scheme. Your chances are much greater if you follow a simple formula that's been around for ages. Have a portion of your paycheck, preferably between 10 and 50%, depending on how young you are when you start investing, zapped right out of your account and into low-cost index funds like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000. By the way, you're much better off investing those dollars into tax-free accounts like Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks. Most experts now agree that tax rates in the future are likely to be dramatically higher than they are today because of our nation's spiraling debt and massively underfunded entitlement obligations. Then once you have this set it and forget it plan in place, take a nap between now and when you retire. Why? Because people who have a long-term outlook and don't fixate on their investments in the short term have much better outcomes over time. Folks, my upcoming book, The Guru Gap, How America's Financial Gurus Are Leading You Astray and How to Get Back on Track, is now available for pre-order on Amazon. Take the opportunity to order your copy today. By the way, in the next 10 years, I'm looking to put 1 million Americans on the road to the 0% tax bracket. If you would like some help implementing a balanced, comprehensive approach to tax-free retirement that shields you from the impact of higher taxes, head on over to davidmcknight.com and click on the Connect with an Advisor button. I'm happy to refer you to an advisor in the Power Zero network that has been trained, vetted, and qualified personally by me. If you're a financial professional and want to learn how to become a certified Power Zero advisor, head over to powerzero.com and opt into my free 3-part video series. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them into the comment section below, and I'll do my very best to respond to every single one of them personally. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the bell so you never miss a video. This is David McKnight. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.